All right, over here at Home Depot. Now, one of my big things is always basically hitting up, it used to be at least, before I was pretty much almost done, was hitting up Lowe's, then Home Depot, and believe it or not, going to different ones too. I would actually drive further out to see what kind of stuff they had available at other locations because, believe it or not, places do have different things depending on the clientele. This place, one side of the island is not as to do as the other side of the island, so there's a big difference. Now, they've definitely increased this thing this year. This is a lot bigger. It used to only be up to that part where those trees are. But they've definitely extended this thing. I don't know what they're planning on doing, but let's go inside and see. All right, so they definitely stepped up their game here. I think today's April 9th, April 10th. They actually made it look nice, too. They're still working on the outside. Let's see. What I'm really here for, I'm going to grab some soil, but I'm in here for, how much is this? $2.97. Nothing crazy. Just going to put a couple on here. All right, let's go look at some trees. Did they buy up those Japanese maples? Yeah, somebody looks like they took the good ones. 110, that's crazy. Yeah, that first set is a real good deal. Oh, wait. Here they are. Is this them? No, these are dogwoods. So these are priced at $69. Here's some more Japanese maples. These guys are small. Eastern redbud. Let me see. Yeah, 59. Yeah, somebody bought up those nice ones. I should have came. Like I said, at this particular place, you have to kind of come here and at the beginning, because that's when some of these good deals will come around. Yeah, I found one of these for like $60. Yeah,